Last week, I was dramatically horizontal thanks to food poisoning, but this week, I'm riding waves like nothing ever happened. Life is weird like that, you know? I'm so glad and grateful that nothing is ever permanent because I can finally grab a board and do exactly what I came here for. This is just an ordinary day at the surf camp in Puerto Escondido, doing everyday things, Mexico edition, and spending the whole day by the ocean, right at the edge of the Pacific, in this magical little beach town. So, good morning, buenos dias. It's my second week in Puerto Escondido and I recovered. You ask from what? Well, I got poisoned and I had a massive allergy from the medication I took here in Mexico. I had to go to the emergency and I told all that story in the previous video, which I'm going to link somewhere above. It was a pretty dramatic and intense experience for me. I never had anything like that ever before in Mexico or anywhere else. But I came through. I'm good. I'm 100% back to myself and ready to get back to surfing. I actually spent the weekend surfing and getting ready for my next week here in Puerto Escondido because I actually had to make my trip longer because I thought, okay, I was sick the whole week and now I need to go home because originally I booked only 10 days in Puerto Escondido. But now I'm like, yeah, I can't go because I have not surfed enough and I came here. That's my goal, to get better at surfing. So yeah, I'm staying for another 10 days here in Puerto Escondido. I ran out of clothes, surprisingly, because I was like in bed sick, like I don't know where I was going. I came to this cute coffee shop that is also a laundry place where you can do your laundry and also have coffee. I had a mocha drink that I already finished, but yeah, it's actually a really interesting concept. So I'm gonna spending here the next hour and we'll be trying to catch up with some work that I need to do for YouTube. I have a ton of editing to do. Like, the editing for YouTube is just never ends. So I have to do that. And later today, I have a session with my surf instructor at 1 p.m. I found going to La Punta to surf at La Punta at 1 p.m. is probably the best hour because there's not a lot of people surfing at that time and I can have waves to myself, which is really nice, especially when you're just starting out with surfing. I stay in Rinconada. It's a really chill neighborhood next to Centro. I could have been staying in La Punta or Zicatela, but it's just really loud. It's a lot of parties, so I would rather just like take the taxi to La Punta if I want to have dinner or like if I want to walk around. But yeah, I'm pretty happy where I'm staying. And then my school is literally 2 seconds away. I live up the hill and my school literally close to the road, so I can walk. And then we get in the van and we go to the lineup in La Punta usually. Depends on the weather conditions. It's been crazy. Like, honestly, those days been just crazy. I'm finally back to myself. I'm healthy. I feel good. I went for dinner yesterday with one of my new friends from the surf school and I felt really good. So yeah, that's the update. They're already blasting music, so I gotta finish up and get back home. Alright, made it to the surf camp, slid down the hill from my surf house to Oasis, my surf school. Is that magic time of the day when the sun is unforgiving, but the waves are all mine. It's 1 p.m. and Roberto and I are the only people heading out to surf right now. Probably because nobody wants to really deal with the UV index at this hour. The sun in Puerto Escondido is no joke, but we come prepared. Sunscreen, bodyguard, the whole thing. But honestly, this is the perfect time to surf if you're introverted. Not only the surf school is totally quiet, but the lineup is practically empty. I get waves for myself, which is amazing. So yeah, I guess 1 p.m. could be the unofficial introvert surf hour. The beach clears out, the lineup is quiet. It's like the ocean knows introverts need their time too. In the mornings, especially around 8 a.m., everyone's out. Surf classes, big groups, the beach is packed, and sometimes I'm into that vibe, but most of the time I prefer the solitude, just me, the ocean, and my surf instructor. Roberto and I are getting ready to hit the road. I just prepped my board, now packing our things, tossing everything in the car, doing the usual little pre-surf stuff. Today took a bit longer since I was filming, but we're finally good to go. We're heading to La Punta, which is about a 5 or 6 kilometers ride from the surf school in Rinconada. And honestly, I love those rides. It's like our little energy warm-up. Amazing views, blasting music, good chit-chat, dumb little jokes, you know. It's a vibe. Okay, let's blast that music now. Okay, we arrived at La Punta. Roberto is unpacking us, and I'm putting the final layer of sunscreen on my face and anywhere else where the sun can catch me. Sanitizing those hands first and applying my favorite sunscreen by First Aid Beauty. I love this stuff. It goes with me everywhere. A little lip balm and a hair conditioner, and we're ready to hit the beach. Okay, surfing is not the easiest thing ever. It's not. It does look easy, but it's not. This is a realistic day in my life surfing at La Punta. Alright, let's go. The thing about surfing is the repetition. The more you fall and wipe out, the better you pop up and ride that wave like the queen you are. We wrapped up the session after 2 hours of continuously trying, failing, and succeeding. Now we are on our way back to the base, and I'm running late for sunset. I want to start every single day with sunrise and end it with this kind of sunset. Like, the sunsets on the West Coast are just unmatched. I have never seen anything like that. You know, I thought the sunsets in San Diego when I was there last year are probably one of the prettiest I ever seen. I didn't know it could get better, but like, it just gets better. It's incredible, like it's insane. I wish I could really show you what I see. I'll try to film it, obviously, but it's just not gonna do justice. It's not gonna do justice. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. With every video, I feel like life gets more special and I want to experience more of what this world has to offer. More surfing, more people, more everything, more sunsets. Thanks for watching.